Hey everyone, Cam and Chantel here from Voyager RV. We've recently made some changes to our retail and warranty service department. We want to show you around. Come have a look.
When you first show up with your trailer to get serviced, you're going to walk through the doors and be greeted by both Rob and Ali. They will help you with your check-in process and make sure that we have all the correct information to make sure your repair gets done correctly.
So you have some concerns about your RV and you'd like to get it in for some repairs and diagnostic work, potentially make a warranty claim. The first thing you're going to do is either give us a call, send us an email, and your first point of contact is going to be Vicky, who's going to set you up with an appointment to get you in so we can give you our top-notch customer service.
This winter, we renovated the space to make it more customer friendly. So we added this entire customer nook here. We've got the mini fridge filled with juice boxes, water, bubbly. We've got coffee and even snacks because we know that you guys do come from far and sometimes end up staying here.
We have a few different services here. First being warranty work. You buy your new trailer, depending on the manufacturer, you either have a 1 or 2 year warranty term and you can bring it into the shop here and drop it off with us. We have 2 mobile vans that service from Armstong all the way out to Peachland and everywhere in between. We are also an ICBC Authorized repair facility. We have our drive-thru, which is for anything that is an hour and a half or less. So you drive into our drive-thru outside here and you stay connected to your trailer. A tech comes out right away. Maybe it's installing a quick part, diagnostics, whatever it may be, it's getting dealt with while you're here. Last summer, we introduced our continued camping program, which also goes through the drive-thru, but essentially it's for emergency situations like your water heater not working or a plumbing leak or your fridge isn't working and you're heading out to go camping and we're booking 3 weeks out. We have the continued camping program to help better serve our customers. The promise from us to you as a customer is that we will come up with a diagnostic and repair plan within 48 hours if we are not able to repair when you come in. You do not have to have purchased your unit from us for us to perform work for you. Anyone can bring their unit in for any basic maintenance needs. We actually have a customer maintenance chart that anyone that purchased from us will have received in their orientation package and is available online for anyone that's interested in taking a look at some things that should be checked on your trailer annually, semi-annually, monthly, whatever it may be. It's always good to stay on top of maintaining your trailer and protecting your investments so it doesn't end up costing you in the long run. I'm standing here at the end of our drop-off lanes and the end of the drive-thru. You can see behind me the service shop. We have 8 service bays here.
So the great thing about this service center is that you can drive in. You don't have to come in through the highway like you did previously. Now with us being down here, we've got 2 great drop-off lanes and also a drive-thru bay. If you do have any questions or would like to book in with us, you're welcome to call us at 250-766-4607 or send us an email at service@voyagerrv.ca.
See you soon.